How to get your team up and running in Microsoft Teams. To get your team up and running in Microsoft Teams, create it. Add people and add channels. First, select Teams. Then join or create a team. Select Create a new team and choose whether to create it from scratch or from an existing group. Then choose whether to make it private or public. Add a name, description, and select Create Next. Invite people to join. If you need to invite people from outside your org, use their email addresses to invite them as guests. Add a friendly display name for them too. Note that you need to be a team owner to invite guests. In this case, you are creating the team, so you're automatically an owner. Once you've added members to your team, you'll want to set up some channels. By default, every team gets a general channel. This is a good one to use for information and announcements that the whole team needs to create a new channel. Select More Options, the 3 dots next to the team name. Then add Channel People. Create channels for the topics that make sense for their team. These could be projects, department names, issues. It's whatever your team needs. Give it a name and description, and then decide if the channel should automatically be visible in everyone's channel list. This can help people know which channels are the most important. You need to be a team owner to do this, like with adding guests. As an owner, you have even more options for managing and customizing a team. Select More Options next to a team you own to see them. Manage Team is where you'll find these options all in one place. For a finishing touch, add a team picture to give your team some personality. With a great name, a few members and channels, and the perfect team picture. Your team is good to go. Thank you for watching us.